Regina Roderick, a physical therapist from Illinois Bone and Joint Institute. I'm here to show you some functional strengthening exercises to help you get better at doing your everyday activities. Our first exercise is the sit to stand. For this exercise, you'll need to scoot a little bit more to the edge of your chair. Make sure your knees are bent, as in your feet are a little bit back behind you. Lean forward just a bit at the shoulders, and from here, press through your legs to stand up fully straight. Once you're here, maintain that for a couple seconds, and then return back down slowly. To make this exercise a little bit easier, you may want to utilize a pillow on your chair. This brings the height of the chair up so your legs don't have to work so hard to go through the exercise. Our next exercise is the mini lunge. The purpose of this exercise is to start to load the joints in your leg to get your muscles to fire better correctly and to increase a little bit of the range of motion. For this exercise, step your right leg forward, making sure the heel touches the ground first. As your heel touches the ground, transition your weight onto that front leg, bending your knee, making sure that the knee does not go forward past the toes. Maintain for about 2 to 3 counts, then press through your leg to step back to the starting position. Our next exercise is the mini squat. The purpose of this exercise is to build functional strength in your quads and your glutes to help you be able to squat, get up from a chair more easily. For this exercise, you'll stand with your feet hip distance apart and toes facing forward. You may need to stand near a counter or a couch if you need some support for balance. To do this exercise, you will bring your hips back behind you and come down into a squat. Maintain for a count of 2 and then press back up. For this exercise, it's very important to think about sticking your glutes out behind you as if you're going to sit into a chair, and also maintain your trunk upright. Make sure that you do this exercise within a range of motion that does not elicit any pain in your knees.